हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। तो आज है 31st दिसंबर एंड वी आर गोइंग टू Pavna camping. I'll take you through the entire journey and through the event which we are going to attend. So yes, it's a New Year's Eve and right now it's 12:45. We have left for Pavna. So from Mumbai, Pavna Lake is around 115 kilometers. मतलब approximately 2.5 hours लगेंगे यहाँ से. But the traffic is quite a lot because I think it's a long weekend. So बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो लोनावला और उस साइड जा रहे हैं, to the hill station. So we're just hoping that we reach in time. तो वहाँ पे पावना कैंप में जो हमारा रिपोर्टिंग टाइम है it's around 3 PM. और जो लोग पुणे से are planning to go to the campsite, so उनको approximately 57 to 58 kilometers दूर है from Pune, which will take around 1 hour 45 minutes approximately. But yes, I'm super excited because as I said, it's a camping experience and it's not like any other experience of going to a club, party or anything. So especially if you have a family or if you are a group of friends, it's like a good thing to experience, I feel, once at least. Pavna एक lake है which is near Thakur Sai village and Lonavala से ये जो place है, it is around 25 kilometers. So I'll show you from where we are going. So yes, obviously from Mumbai we are going via expressway. Hey, Anna is going camping today?
Yep. So,
are you excited?
Yes. Make sure to subscribe for this video. If you don't know, then just call in the comments right now.
Anna, and what all do you have with you in your bag?
I have this, and I don't know what's all, but we have snacks. There's gonna be lots of activities, and it's camp exploring. So I don't know. And we're gonna be at a tent.
Yes.
And we're gonna sleep on a comfy mattress.
Yes, that's amazing.
Yep.
Okay, so Anna, we'll meet at the campsite.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
And just look at the traffic. 31st के दिन ये तो होना ही है. So now we have reached Kharghar और just like a little bit snack time जहाँ पे we had chai and vada pav. So one good thing which I felt that I should share with you is that we have booked a camping in Pavna camp. So there are many camps there in Pavna. So I'll give the link of it in the description box. You can check it out. So I did a little bit of research before finalizing a camp. So basically, why did we choose this camp? One of the most important reasons was that they have a separate family section, which I found really good. So here in this camp, they have a family section, couples section, and they also have a bachelor's section, so which is like very good, especially if you have a family. So it's safe, and also it's good to have your own privacy. So that's one of the main reasons that I booked this camp. And also I felt that you need to check the reviews on internet. You need to check what people have to say about their experience. So the reviews were good of this camp. And after booking also, we felt that the good part is that we got all the details, like what the schedule is going to be like. और उसमें उन्होंने सब कुछ डिटेल में मेंशन किया था, as in how to even reach the camp. So they had shared a video and a link through which we could reach the camp easily. सो बुकिंग जब मैंने की तो आई गॉट अ मैसेज ऑन व्हाट्सएप इन विच उन्होंने जो लिंक था, जो उनका वेबसाइट ही है उसका लिंक उन्होंने शेयर किया, एंड उसी लिंक पे वेबसाइट पे बुकिंग का ऑप्शन था, यानी कि पेमेंट का ऑप्शन था. सो वी वेंट टू फैमिली सेक्शन. सो आज इज कैम्प सी. सो ऐसे ABCD आई थिंक ऐसे है वो कैम्प. सो वी बुक्ड कैम्प सी, एंड वहाँ पे अडल्ट का चार्ज इज़ अराउंड 3000 एंड चाइल्ड का इट इज़ 1500.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one. Yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts. Yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby.
सो कामशेर टनल 2 के बाद में हमें एक सीक्रेट लेफ्ट लेना है, विच इज़ राइट हियर, एंड यू टू बी स्लो आफ्टर टनल 2, क्योंकि एक बहुत ही सीक्रेट सा लेफ्ट टर्न है विच वी शुड नॉट मिस. सो दिस इज द टर्न. एज यू कैन सी इट्स अ वेरी सीक्रेट टर्न, and the road here is actually very bumpy.
We're going camping, Anna.
So you can see the road, it's not that great. So we have missed the sunset mostly, I feel, because we got stuck in the traffic and got late. तो अगर आपको आना है तो थोड़ा सा जल्दी निकलना होगा. And the camp guys were correct. They said that try to reach the camp at least by 2 or 3. एंड वी आर हियर अभी 5:30 के ऊपर हो गया है, एंड आई कैन सी अ कॉन्क्रीट रोड ओवर हियर विच इज़ इमीडिएटली आफ्टर दिस. सो नॉट अ लॉन्ग स्ट्रेच दो ऑफ अ बम्पी रोड. सो यहाँ से आपको लेना है लेफ्ट. दिस इज द वे यू हैव टू टेक लेफ्ट, एंड इट्स अ कॉन्क्रीट रोड.
In 300 meters, turn right.
We have almost reached the campsite, and यहाँ पे back to back गाड़ियाँ लगी हुई है. Many people have come here, and I don't know why is this traffic here. रास्ते बहुत narrow है. तो यहाँ पे बीच में चेकिंग भी हो रहा था पुलिस का. So they were checking like some of the vehicles, especially जो बैचलर लोग वगैरह जा रहे थे, mostly they were checking them. Thankfully they didn't stop us, so I'm not sure what they were checking exactly. But yeah, I mean, I didn't expect कि इतने लोग होंगे, and that too during this pandemic year. But like overall अभी तक मुझे एक अच्छा वाइब आ रहा है, because बहुत सारे लोग हैं, and there are so many camps. बहुत सारे अलग अलग कैंप साइट्स है, तो इट्स बेटर दैट यू गेट योर कैंप का एग्जैक्ट लोकेशन गूगल मैप्स पे, so that it gets easier for you to go there. And almost it's getting dark now, and I'm not sure if we'll be able to see the lake also. 6:30 हो गए हैं, and we are running quite late. ये ऐसा रास्ता है जो अंदर जा रहा है कैंप की तरफ, and they said कि there is a parking over here, so we are going down from here, and there we'll be parking the car. see, this is family camp.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think
The music is very loud, so you might not be able to hear what I'm saying. But it's a good vibe altogether. We are sitting on the lakeside. We played badminton and dart game. There's loud music going on here. They have DJ over here, and the climate is not that cold or chilly. It is pleasant, I would say. So let's see how it gets at night. But as of now, it's good. So this is paneer chili and veg Manchurian. From the bottom of my heart, I want to express gratitude. Thank you, God, for everything. Thank you for such a wonderful, healthy life. Thank you for everything that happened in 2021. We are going to sleep और काफ़ी ठंड हो चुकी है. There's all dew here on the tents. पूरा dew आ गया है and it's quite cold now, though we had bonfire and all, but अभी काफ़ी ठंडा लग रहा है and we're going to sleep now. So night. Good morning. सुबह के बज गए हैं 6:30. We slept around 1:30 and रात में बहुत ठंड थी. आई मीन इन द टेंट, एक तो टेंट के बाहर पूरा ड्यू या फॉग जैसा था और वी लिटरली हैड टू वेयर एवरीथिंग वी गॉट, राइट, बट स्वेटर, जैकेट, एवरीथिंग एंड इवन सॉक्स. आई वोक अप इन द मॉर्निंग एट 6 o'clock क्योंकि यहाँ पे वॉशरूम्स कम है तो I just thought I'll freshen up and get ready. So one more thing is that you can get your own drinks as in alcohol. तो लोग यहाँ पे खुद से लाते हैं. The camp doesn't provide anything. तो उसके लिए they had messaged all their visitors कि you need to get a 1 rupee pass और liquor license जो किसी भी wine shop में I think easily मिलता है. But I must say that the crowd was really good, probably because we booked a family section. It was actually a family crowd, but then yes, just to explore we went to other sections also which are nearby. So वहाँ पे भी the crowd was good. So yeah, I mean I was happy with the overall vibe of the place. People were good. It's very safe, nothing to worry about on safety front, so that's like a good part. So this is the tent. It's pretty spacious for 2 people to sleep, and maybe a child can also fit into this. And these are not mattresses, this is actually a foam, but it's quite comfortable. And they also have a net over here. I think it's for mosquitoes or something, I don't know, but apparently the good part is that there were no mosquitoes here at the campsite. I'm in the tent right now, and रात में अच्छी नींद आई यार. I mean I felt कि maybe थोड़ा सा uncomfortable होगा या you'll feel congested inside, पर ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. It was quite comfortable except for the fact that it was very cold. To be safe, we had carried our own bed sheet and blankets. Abhi we are just waiting for breakfast, and अभी जो हमारा यहाँ से चेकआउट टाइम है, it's actually 11 o'clock. So basically you can have breakfast, you can do some activities over here, play around, badminton है and all those things. So you can do that and then you can leave. But we are planning to leave a little early so that हमें ट्रैफिक ना मिले, because यहाँ पे जो सारे कैंप साइट्स है वहाँ के लोग अभी निकलेंगे. that the roads are so narrow कि traffic हो जाएगा फिर. So just to avoid that, we might leave early. So let's see how things go. And yes, it's a lovely morning, new year, new day, and feels so great and feels so blessed. Having breakfast at the lakeside, anda bhurji and bread, and they also have poha. There's ample space for parking over here, just next to the camp. So no parking issue. You can get your car and it can be parked safely over here.